Half of all passenger vehicle occupants who died in a crash were not buckled up. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is starting its yearly Click It or Ticket campaign to remind everyone that seatbelts save lives and to nudge drivers and passengers to fasten theirs. From May 22 through June 4, state and local law enforcement agencies will collaborate nationwide during a time of increased enforcement to safeguard drivers and passengers from the dangers of not wearing seatbelts. Chief Counsel Carlson stated that fastening your seatbelt just takes 2 seconds but has the potential to save your life. The law in most places requires you to wear a seatbelt, which is your best defense against serious or fatal injuries in a crash. Use your seatbelt on every trip, whether you're in the front or the back. The NHTSA recently published a research on occupant protection traffic safety, which reveals that among all vehicle types over the past nearly 20 years, pickup truck drivers and passengers have experienced the greatest percentage of unrestrained fatalities. 60% of pickup truck drivers and 60% of pickup truck passengers killed in collisions in 2021 did not have their seatbelts on. This organization continues to lead initiatives to promote the use of seatbelts. Passenger car occupants who are not wearing seatbelts fare little better. Between 2018 and 2021, there were more passenger car occupants killed in collisions each year. 9,545 uncontrolled fatalities occurred in 2018. In 2021, 11,813 passengers in passenger vehicles who died in collisions, 45%, did not have their seatbelts on. Data over time reveals that more unrestrained fatalities happen at night than during the day. In 2021, 43% of fatalities that occurred during the daytime were unrestrained, compared to 57% of fatalities that occurred at night. The Complete National Roadway Safety Strategy, a roadmap to solve the national problem in traffic fatalities and serious injuries, was announced by the U.S. Department of Transportation in January 2022. Through the use of safer roads, people, vehicles, and speeds, as well as better post-crash care, it uses the safe system approach and creates many levels of safety. The bipartisan infrastructure law proposed by President Biden includes record safety investment, and in February, the department announced more than $800 million in grants to support local governments in tackling high crash regions. The DOT also released a one-year progress report and associated data visualizations that show the scope and severity of the U.S. roadway safety issue, as well as the Call to Action campaign, which is the NRSS's next phase.